Behold the sad bride who can't cook.
I can't even boil water.
Behold the dragon who lurketh in the pantry.
Lurk, lurk.
Hey, it's a lurking dragon.
The LaChoy dragon, lady, with LaChoy chow mein. Crisp and good as the takeout kind because it's quick cooked in dragon fire. For a 6-minute supper, just heat and serve.
LaChoy chow mein, full of crunchy bean sprouts, celery and onions, imported bamboo shoots and water chestnuts, sweet red peppers and mushrooms.
This chow mein is delicious.
Thank you, dear.
Wait! I forgot the LaChoy noodles.
Just a friend, dear.
LaChoy chow mein, 5 different kinds, always crisp.
Quick cooked in dragon fire.